how to fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger. So if you want to fix missing chat history sync now on Messenger, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Open up your Messenger application. Make sure that you've signed in. Now you need to go with the bottom right, which has that menu section. And from the menu, you need to go with settings. And under settings, you need to scroll down and go with privacy and safety. Under privacy and safety, you'll have end-to-end encrypted chat. Tap on it. And then you will have security alert. Tap on security alert. Now make sure both the toggle buttons in here, which is under manage security alerts, are turned on. If not, then go ahead and turn it on. After that, you can go back and then you will have an option of safe browsing. You need to tap on safe browsing. Make sure that the toggle button for safe browsing is toggled on. You can select either standard browsing or advanced browsing, but don't select off. Next, go back to your home screen and open up your Play Store and search for Messenger. Under Messenger, if you have any updates, you need to go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.